All right, everybody. Hello from Crescent City. The weather for the next few days the forecast is not great. We are expecting at least 3 big storms to come through. We had one come through last night and this morning. The roads are still very wet, but I've got a break right now between storms, so I'm taking advantage of it. And I am headed to an area called Lake Earl Wilderness Area. And there's 2 lakes. But the real reason why I'm going is there are a couple of old barns. And apparently porcupine live around one of these barns. And so I'm going to go see if I can't spot some porcupine. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. All right, so I've turned on Old Mill Road, a much quieter road than the one I was just on. And I think this road ends at the Lake Earl Wilderness area. So this is the Lake Earl Wilderness area. This is one of the trailheads. This is a trail that people can take their horses on. So there's a trail that goes off to the right here. And then there's another trail that's part of an old farm road. Oh yeah, see here's a little area, little bit of a break. I don't know if I can get through. Oh, I can, but I'm gonna have to get off the trike. Okay, so I got through. I had to lift the right wheel to get it over that rock. But no problem, I got through. So okay, let's keep riding here. God, I can't believe how lucky I am with the weather. Gosh, earlier today it just looked so miserable. It was so windy and like the rain was just pelting. And now it's calm and there's blue skies. Okay, so in the description for this trail that I read, there are 2 barns. And this is one of them. You're not supposed to go inside. And I think they said that the second barn is the one that has the porcupines. But it's pretty interesting to see inside here. Yeah, I can feel the wind is starting to pick up. So let's keep going down the trail because I think I'm doing this out and back. So if I have time, I can come check it out a little bit closer on the way back. Oh, here's another barn. This one seems to be working. Oh, but there's another barn behind it. Oh, look how picturesque this is. Maybe this is where the porcupine live. Wild porcupine. Well, I think that second barn is about as far as most of the vehicles go because the grass is getting really high here. And the trike's doing just fine. This would not be a good place to get a flat, so hopefully I will be lucky. And oh, look how pretty it is out here. My gosh, it's amazing. You can see the ocean. Wow, I sure picked a wonderful time to come out here. I've really got a break in the weather. I've got blue skies. Look at this lovely lake. Maybe this is Lake Earl. Well, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get very far on here. It's turning into 2 single tracks with very tall grass, and with my electric assist, I'm a little bit worried about the low-hanging wires. But the rocks are also getting really big. Well, maybe I could keep going. I seem to... grasses aren't quite as tall here. Just beautiful, huh? Just a gorgeous day. Gorgeous day for a trike ride. Yeah, the grasses are really high. Path is a little bit wider. Yeah, the wires for my electric assist are below the battery, and I just have really just a couple of inches of clearance to the ground, and so I think those wires could really get caught on some of this grass, and that would not be good. But for some reason I keep going. Oh my God. I'm having a real adventure out here. I think this weather is just cheering me on. Yeah. I don't know about this. I may have come to the end of the road here for triking. Whoa, kind of sliding a little bit. Gosh, I've been going for a few miles now. Oh, and I see water. Maybe the point is up close. Probably getting to it really soon now. But like you can see, hardly anybody walks out here. There's not much of a path to follow. It's all overgrown. But so far, Myrtle's handling it really well. If I get to this rise, this might be the end of it right here. Yeah, I think this is it. Ha ha ha. Oh, it's just beautiful though, isn't it? Oh, I'm so happy I did this. Of course, now I have to get back. on the old mill road, having a successful adventure out to the end of the point. And I thought I would stop here again. This is what I think is considered the second barn. And people say they have seen porcupine, wild porcupine. And I guess you don't really want to get too close. But apparently these porcupine are very small, the size of a small cat. Let's go take a look at this barn here. And I don't really know what I'm looking for. I don't hear any critters, but someday I hope to see some wild porcupine out here, but I don't think today's the day. It's kind of a cool barn though. Losing traction a little bit. So I've had a very successful outing. Myrtle was a champ. Oh my gosh, the grasses were so tall. Trike had absolutely no trouble with it. Myrtle does great. But I can see that the winds are starting to pick up. It's supposed to be about 25-mile-an-hour winds later today. And another storm is going to come through. But I feel really lucky to have had such great weather for this outing. Maybe next time I'll see some wild porcupine. So all right, you guys, I hope you stay safe, stay healthy, and as always, thank you for watching.